In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Contact Us page on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store pages, content, and overall settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Online Store and then select Pages. This section is where you can create and manage the informational pages that appear on your Shopify store. After you open the Pages section, go to the top right corner and click Add Page. This will open a new page editor where you can create your contact page. In the title field, type Contact Us or any similar title that fits your store. Keeping the title clear and simple is a good idea because it helps visitors immediately understand the purpose of the page. Once the page title is in place, move your attention to the right side of the screen. There, you will see the Online Store card. This area controls how the page is connected to your theme and how it will appear on your storefront. Inside that section, find the Theme Template drop-down menu. Click it and then choose the Contact Template. Selecting the Contact Template is the key part of this setup because it tells Shopify to display the page using a layout designed specifically for customer messages. Instead of showing only basic page content, this template usually includes a contact form, which makes it much easier for visitors to reach out to your business directly from your website. After you have selected the contact template, go to the top right corner and click Save. This will publish the page settings and make sure your new Contact Us page is stored correctly in Shopify. At this point, your contact page has been created. If needed, you can later add it to your store navigation so customers can find it more easily. But the page itself is now set up and ready to use. When creating pages like this, it is always helpful to double-check the title and template before saving, just to make sure everything is configured the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.